Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Forex card. First, understand that a Forex card is essentially a prepaid debit card designed for international travel. You load it with foreign currency, locking in your exchange rate before you even leave. This helps you avoid fluctuating rates and often provides better value than carrying cash or using a regular credit card overseas. It's a secure and convenient way to manage your travel funds. To begin, you'll need to acquire your Forex card from a bank or an authorized money changer. Once you have it, load the specific foreign currencies you'll need for your destination. For example, if you're going to Europe, load euros. Before you travel, it's crucial to activate your card and set a secure 4-digit PIN. This ensures your card is ready for use and protected against unauthorized transactions. When you're abroad, using your Forex card is straightforward. You can swipe or tap it at point-of-sale terminals, just like a regular debit card, wherever Visa or MasterCard are accepted. For cash, simply use an ATM that displays your card's network logo to withdraw local currency. A key tip: always opt to pay in the local currency to prevent dynamic currency conversion, which can add unnecessary charges to your transactions. Using a Forex card offers several significant advantages. You typically get more favorable exchange rates compared to carrying physical cash or using your standard credit card. It also provides a much safer alternative, protecting your funds if your card is lost or stolen. Remember to keep track of your card balance, and if necessary, you can easily reload funds online or through your provider while traveling, ensuring you always have access to your money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.